Birds, the ruler of the sky, gifted winged animals who can fly high, and each one of them is extraordinary. The peacock has a wonderful tail made of excellent quills. The parrot is a feathered creature that can figure out how to talk. Crow is the most astute in fowlery. A hummingbird can sing. Songbird fledgling is likewise known for his sweet voice. The ostrich is one of the quickest sprinter as it can fly. Though the penguin has the capacity to swim somewhere inside the water with the assistance of its flippers like wings. Like this, each fledgling is diverse in its capacities and looks. They are the vital face of our biological system, keeping our ecosystem balanced. The lives of these beautiful creatures is endangered by us by the use of harmful pesticides. It is our responsibility to take care of these species. Otherwise, they will be wiped out from the face of the earth. Save the birds.